Good evening, all of you. So today's session, I will be teaching you Euro. We are starting this foundation batch. This is the first lecture with mapping classes. In this first class, I will be teaching you Euro. Today's is 18 June. So these mapping sessions will take around 10 lectures, including India and the world. For mapping classes, you require 2 atlas in the classroom. The first one is the Orient Blackstone competitive exam. The Orient Blackstone competitive exam and the second, which is very important for Indian geography, Oxford Student Atlas. Oxford Student Atlas for India. Oxford Student Atlas for India. Kindly bring both atlas in the classroom, and for online student, it is mandatory to use both atlas during the class. However, in general, I will cover all world geography on the Orient Blackstone competitive exam. So now we are starting with Europe. This is what? This is Europe continent. This diagram is representing Europe continent. To the north of Europe, there is Arctic Ocean. To the eastern side, there is Caspian Sea. To the south, this is what Mediterranean Sea. And this whole bit, and this whole western side, there is Atlantic Ocean. I'm repeating again. To the eastern side, there is Caspian Sea. To the north, there is Arctic Ocean. To the south, there is Mediterranean Sea. And to the western side, there is Atlantic Ocean. One more thing is here. This is what prime meridian. Prime meridian is an imaginary longitude which separates what into two hemispheres, west and east. It is located on 0° longitude. Just remember, there is one basic also. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. These locations are very important for mapping and geography. Just remember, to the north, there is Arctic Ocean. to the south Mediterranean Sea, to the eastern side there is Caspian Sea, and to the western side there is Atlantic Ocean. So highlight all the location on your atlas with your highlighter, all water bodies. This is what Caspian Sea. Here, this is Mediterranean Sea. This is prime meridian. This is Arctic Ocean, and this is Atlantic Ocean. Just highlight all 4 locations on your atlas. Introduction of Europe. So students are always confused in the locations of Europe. As we have discussed that this is north, this is northeast, this is east, this is southeast, this is south, this is southwest, this is western side, and this is northwest. Under this introduction of Europe, we are going to discuss some of the countries. Like to the north, there is Scandinavian Peninsula. To the northeast, there is Baltic Sea. To the northeast, there is Baltic Sea. To the southeastern side of Europe, there is Balkan Peninsula. Again, to the south of this, there is Mediterranean Sea, as we have discussed. To the western side, there is Atlantic Ocean. To the eastern side, this is Caspian Sea. Draw this diagram. To the north, there is Arctic Ocean. To the south, Mediterranean Sea. To the eastern side, Caspian Sea, and to the western side, Atlantic Ocean. To the north, there is the Scandinavian Peninsula. To the northeast, there is Baltic Sea. Highlight all the location. On page number 56 or 57. 57 is the political map and 56 is the physical map. To the eastern side, Caspian Sea. To the southeastern side, Balkanian Peninsula. To the south, Mediterranean Sea, and to the western side, Atlantic Ocean. So, what kind of question your examiner will ask in your examination from this particular introduction of Europe? Wait, I'll tell you. Which of the following country are part of Scandinavian Peninsula? Which of the following countries are part of Scandinavian Peninsula? Number 1, Denmark. Number 2, Sweden. Number 3, Norway. Number 4, Finland. This is the pattern of MCQ. Which of the following countries are part of Scandinavian Peninsula? Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland. Our option is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 only, 3 and 4 only. Just remember, the Scandinavian Peninsula comprises of 3 states only of Europe: Denmark, Sweden, Norway. So your answer is B. Denmark, Sweden, Norway. Just remember DNS. DNS is what? Countries. Scandinavian countries. Scandinavian countries are DNS. DNS is the mnemonic. Denmark, Norway, Sweden. As we have discussed, Scandinavian Peninsula comes located north of Europe, which comprises of DNS, Norway, Sweden. Next is Baltic Sea. Baltic Sea is located to the northeast of Europe. Under this, there are 3 countries: Estonia. Number 2, Latvia. Number 3, Lithuania. Baltic states are Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia. So just remember, again, I am giving one mnemonic, ELL. This mnemonic ELL stands for Baltic states, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. Scandinavian countries are Denmark, Norway, Sweden. Here there is Balkanian Peninsula. So there are also some Balkanian countries. There are also some Balkanian countries. Just note down. Number 1, Bosnia, 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 Bosnia. Number 2, Bulgaria, 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 Bulgaria. Number 3, Croatia, CROATIA, CROATIA. Next, Kosovo, 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 KOSOVO. Next, Macedonia, MACEDONIA. Next, Montenegro, 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 Montenegro. Next, Serbia, SERBIA, Serbia. Next, Slovenia, 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 Slovenia. I am giving you one mnemonic for this Balkanian countries. BBC को MMS स्लोवेनिया में वायरल हुआ. Just remember this. These are this statement or this mnemonic stands for Balkanian countries. BBC को MMS स्लोवेनिया में वायरल हुआ. Like B stands for Bosnia, Bulgaria, Croatia, Kosovo, Montenegro, Serbia, Slovenia, and more M is there. It is Macedonia. Just remember this, Macedonia. I'm repeating again. Bulgaria, Bosnia, Croatia, Kosovo, Montenegro, Macedonia, Serbia, Slovenia. These are the Balkanian countries. Easy to find, don't worry, in your atlas. Then in Europe, there is a term Nordic countries. Under the Nordic countries, there are 5 countries. Again, DNS, plus P. F stands for Finland, I stands for Iceland. F stands for Finland, I stands for Iceland. Basically, it is a mnemonic. DNS is Denmark, Norway, Sweden. So there are total 5 countries which comes under Nordic countries: Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, Iceland. Number 1 is Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Iceland. There are total 5 countries. Just remember DNS plus FI. So you can easily handle this in your exam. In your prelims, they will confuse with the Scandinavian Peninsula or Scandinavian countries with the Nordic countries. Just remember, these are what? These 3 are Scandinavian countries. And when we add these 2, then it comes under Nordic countries. So we have discussed multiple things here, multiple countries, multiple states. Number 1, to the north there is Scandinavian countries. Number 2, we have discussed Baltic states. Number 3, we have discussed Nordic countries. Number 4, we have also discussed Balkan countries. So Scandinavian countries have DNS. These are the mnemonics, just remember. Total 3 countries are there. D stands for Denmark, N stands for Norway, S stands for Sweden. Baltic states are ELL. Again 3. Total 3 countries: Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. Then Nordic countries, total 5. Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, and Iceland. There are some Balkanian countries, as we have discussed. This part is very important. Generally, they will ask you a question from this particular section. Students will always confuse in this all. Okay. Just note down. Scandinavian countries are Denmark, Norway, Sweden. Denmark, Norway, Sweden. Denmark, Norway, Sweden. The Scandinavian Peninsula has the highest peak known as Galdhøpiggen. GALDHOPIGGEN. It is the highest peak of Scandinavian Peninsula, easily available on a physical map to the north of Europe. Galdhøpiggen is the highest peak of Scandinavian Peninsula located to the north of this Europe side. Galdhøpiggen. There are 3 countries, remember: Denmark, Norway, Sweden. Next is Baltic, ELL, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. Note down Baltic countries. Baltic countries. Heading is Baltic countries. Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. ESTONIA. Latvia, LATIVA. Lithuania, LITHUNIA. Next thing is Baltic Sea. Baltic Sea. Highlight this Baltic Sea on your atlas also. Baltic Sea. Note down. The Baltic Sea is an arm of Atlantic Ocean. The Baltic Sea is an arm of Atlantic Ocean. The Baltic Sea is an arm of Atlantic Ocean. Then it is enclosed by following countries. It is enclosed, ENCLOSED. It is enclosed by following countries. Number 1, Denmark, Estonia, 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 Denmark, Estonia. Finland, Germany, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, POLAND, Russia, Sweden, SWEDEN. Once again, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Germany, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Russia, Sweden. I'm just giving one mnemonic. लाली जी ने DRF पढ़ के, sorry, I mean PRS पढ़ के फॉर्म भरा. This is the mnemonic to remember all the countries easily. This Latvia, Lithuania, Germany. PRS stand for Poland, Russia, Sweden. Just remember this mnemonic. लाली जी ने PRS पढ़ के डेफ भरा. D stands for Denmark, G for Germany. You can easily understand this mnemonic. One more statement, note down. Under the Baltic Sea, Kiel Canal. Kiel Canal. It is an artificial waterway. Kiel Canal. It is an artificial waterway which connects Baltic Sea with North Sea. Kiel Canal, which is an artificial waterway which connects Baltic Sea with North Sea. Next heading is prime meridian. Prime meridian. It passes through UK, France, Spain. Passes through UK, France, Spain. It also passes through some of the countries of Africa. So we will discuss at the time of Africa. I will cover continent wise. Now we require only 3 countries: France, UK, and Spain. From where it passes through, it is 0 degree longitude. UK, France, Spain. Just note down. Prime meridian passes through UK, France, Spain. One more thing is here. First, highlight this prime meridian on your political map of Europe. One more thing is here. This is what English Channel. English Channel, which is located between France and UK. English Channel is located between France and UK. Might be they will ask you a question like this: which one of the following water bodies located between UK and France? The answer will be English Channel. Just remember, which one of the following water bodies located between UK and France? The answer will be English Channel. Highlight this English Channel also, which is easily available in your atlas. Now, Caspian Sea. All topics comes under the introduction of Europe. Just remember, Caspian Sea is the largest lake of the world. We will discuss at the time of Asia again this, why it is called lake and all. So don't worry. Here what required? How many countries shares its border with the Caspian Sea? So just remember, there are total 5 countries. Again, this is what Caspian Sea. Now this diagram is representing Caspian Sea. To the southeast, there is Kazakhstan. Sorry, I mean northeast. And to the northwest, there is Russia. To this side, western side, Azerbaijan. To the south, there is Iran. And to the south eastern side, there is Turkmenistan. Just remember, Caspian Sea is the largest lake of the world. Which is located between Europe and Asia. Just note, Caspian Sea is located between Europe and Asia. Draw this diagram and highlight it is available in your atlas to the eastern side of the Europe. To the north eastern side Kazakhstan, to the northwestern side Russia, Azerbaijan to the west, Iran to the south, and Turkmenistan to the southeast. Next is Mediterranean Sea. Again, this diagram is representing Mediterranean Sea. To the north, Europe. To the eastern side, Levant. In Asia. We will discuss at the time of Asia. Levant is the region which is located to the eastern side of the Mediterranean Sea. To the south, Africa. To the south of Mediterranean Sea, African continent is located. And to the western side, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Just remember, this Atlantic Ocean connects. This Atlantic Ocean connects with Mediterranean Sea via a strait called Gibraltar. Strait is a narrow passage of water body which connects two huge water bodies. Strait is a narrow passage of water body which connects two huge water bodies. For example, Strait of Gibraltar, which connects Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. The Strait of Gibraltar. Connects Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea, and it is located between Spain and Morocco. Morocco. So not on Mediterranean Sea. So as we have discussed, this is Levant is the geographical term, which is the eastern part of the Mediterranean Sea. We will discuss at the time of Asia. However, there are some countries which comes under this term, like Syria, Israel, etc. We will discuss. I cover. Lebanon is also there. Note on Mediterranean Sea. It is located between Europe and Africa. This is Africa, this is Europe. Between this is Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea, located between Europe and Africa. European countries along the sea. European countries along the sea. Note down. European countries along the sea. Spain, France, Monaco, Italy, स्पेन, फ्रांस, मोनाको, इटली, स्लोवेनिया, SLOVENIA, स्पेन, फ्रांस, मोनाको, इटली, स्लोवेनिया, SLOVENIA, क्रोशिया, CROATIA, क्रोशिया, CROATIA, बोस्निया, BOSNIA, क्रोशिया, CROATIA, बोस्निया, BOSNIA, मोंटीनेग्रो, मोंटीनेग्रो, MONTENEGRO, मोंटीनेग्रो, MONTENEGRO, sorry, it is located between two landmass. Geographically, basically, state is a narrow passage of water body which connects two water bodies, huge water bodies. There are multiple examples. For example, state of Bab el-Mandeb, which connects Gulf of Aden and this Red Sea. It is located between Djibouti and Yemen. So we will discuss. आएगा वो. Wait. कहाँ थे? Note down. Spain, France, Monaco, Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, 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 Greece, 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 GREECE. Then Asia. Asian countries along the Mediterranean Sea. Note down. Asian countries along the Mediterranean Sea. Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel. Just note down. African countries along the sea are, note down. African countries along the sea are Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, and Egypt. Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, and Egypt. One more thing, just remember, they will not ask you, however, prime meridian also passes through Mediterranean Sea. Prime meridian also passes through Mediterranean Sea. Just remember this. Just note down one statement. The common landmass of Europe and Asia is known as Eurasia. The common landmass of Europe and Asia is known as Eurasia. Europe landmass and Asian landmass. The common landmass of Europe and Asia is known as Eurasia. Next, note down. So as we have discussed Nordic countries, the Scandinavian countries, etc. There are some islands in Europe also, which is very important. Note down. Number one, Foray Island and Greenland. Foray Island. Foray Island and Greenland are the part of Denmark. Just note down this. They will ask you a question like this. Ki Foray Island is a part of which country? Which of the one of the following country? So remember this. Answer is Denmark. Correct. Denmark. Foray Island and Greenland. Greenland. Sorry. Åland is the part of Finland. Åland. Åland is the part of Finland. Then Åland. Åland is the part of Sweden. Åland is the part of Sweden. Then one more thing. Fine. I am repeating again. Foray Island and this Greenland is the part of Denmark. Åland is the part of Finland. Åland is the part of Sweden. You can easily highlight all the islands on your atlas. Åland and Åland is available in red atlas, page number 77. Åland is located to the north of Baltic Sea. Åland is located to the north of Baltic Sea. Åland is located to the north of Baltic Sea. Sorry, south of Baltic Sea. One more island is located there to the south of Foray Island, Shetland Island, occupied by UK. Shetland Island, SHET. Wait, Shetland. Shetland Island is a part of UK. Just remember this. Svalbard. Is the part of Norway. Just remember, don't be panic, it is not available in your atlas. Svalbard is not available in your atlas. Highlight all this. Foray Island is located on page number 77. To the south of Iceland, it is available on a longitude 10° west. It is easily available. To the south east of this Foray Island, Shetland Island is located. Highlight this. To the southwest is this Foray Island, Shetland Island is located. Greenland is available page number 83 on Red Atlas again. Greenland is available on page number 83 to the extreme northeastern of the page, northeast page. North America political map or physical map, it is available to the north of North America, Greenland. Just remember, Greenland, geographically, Greenland is a part of North American continent, but culturally it is a part of Europe. Because of it is occupied by Denmark. I'm repeating again. This Greenland is a part of Denmark. Geographically, it is a part of North American continent. Highlight all these islands. A-land is located, O-land is located nearby Baltic Sea. To the north of Baltic Sea, there is A-land. To the south of Baltic Sea, there is O-land. Gulf of Bothnia, Gulf of Bothnia is also located to the north of Baltic Sea. This is what Baltic Sea. Here, this is A-land. Here, this is O-land. Here, this is Gulf of Bothnia. Highlight this all. Not very important for our exam, but just highlight. You have the idea. Next heading is Straits of Europe. STRAITS. Straits of Europe. Straits of Europe. Straits of Europe. Number 1. Strait of Gibraltar. Strait of Gibraltar. This is what Strait of Gibraltar. It connects Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. Strait of Gibraltar connects Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean and separates, or located, you can say, between Morocco and Spain. Strait of Gibraltar is located between Morocco and Spain and connects Atlantic Ocean with Mediterranean Sea. Just note down. It separates Morocco and Spain connects Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean. Next is Strait of Bonifacio. Strait of Bonifacio. state of Bonifacio. This state of Bonifacio is located between Corsica and sorry, Sardinia island. Corsica. This Sardinia island is a part of Italy, and this Corsica is a part of France. It connects Tyrrhenian Sea with Mediterranean Sea. Just remember, it connects Tyrrhenian Sea with Mediterranean Sea. So what kind of question they will ask you in your prelims? Which one of the following island is related to the Italy? Or is a part of Italy? Answer will be Sardinia. Which one of the following water bodies separates Italy? Which one of the following water bodies separates Sardinia and Corsica island? Answer will be state of Bonifacio. Which one of the following water body connects Tyrrhenian Sea with Mediterranean Sea? Answer will be again state of Bonifacio. Just remember, draw this diagram and highlight this state of Bonifacio. State of Bonifacio, highlight. It is available page number 57 in Oxford Atlas, or in Blackstone. To the north of Mediterranean Sea. It is easily available. State of Bonifacio, Sardinia is also available. Corsica is also available. Highlight all locations. Tyrrhenian Sea is also available. Mediterranean Sea is also available. And to the page number 57, again student atlas, competitive exam atlas. To the north of Morocco or south of Spain, there is Strait of Gibraltar. Highlight this also. Strait of Gibraltar. Highlight prime meridian also. One more thing is here. This is what? This is Spain. Here this is Gibraltar Strait. This is Morocco. Just remember, there is one territory which is occupied by UK, also known as Gibraltar. Highlight this also. Occupied by UK. Highlight this also. This is a water body which connects Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. It separates Spain and this Morocco. And this is territory occupied by UK. Next is Strait of Kerch, Kerch. Easily available to the north of Black Sea. Strait of Kerch, Kerch. Strait of Kerch, Kerch. It is located between Azov Sea and Black Sea. This Strait of Kerch is located between Azov Sea and Black Sea. Kerch is the part of Crimea. It connects Russia. It is located between Russia and Kerch. Russia and Kerch. Note down. Connects Black Sea and Azov Sea, AZOV. Azov Sea is also available to the north of Black Sea and to the north of this state of Kerch. Azov Sea, highlight this. Next is state of Bosphorus. State of Bosphorus. State of Bosphorus. Located between Istanbul and Anatolia. Connects Sea of Marmara and Black Sea. Sea of Marmara is available on page number 51. Again, Sea of Marmara is available on page number 51 to the southwest of Black Sea or to the north of Turkey on West Asia map. Highlight this. Next is Strait of Dardanelles. It is available to the north of Aegean Sea. Strait of Dardanelles, it is available to the north of Aegean Sea. Western side of Turkey. Just highlight this. Strait of Dardanelles. Note down. Highlight this Strait of Dardanelles. Just note down statement directly. It separates Asia and Europe. It separates Asia and Europe. The Strait of Dardanelles separates Asia and Europe. Connects Sea of Marmara with and Mediterranean Sea. Connects Sea of Marmara and Mediterranean Sea. Next is Strait of Dover. It connects North Sea with Atlantic Ocean and located between or separates rest of Europe and UK. It connects the Strait of Dover, connects North Sea with Atlantic Ocean through English Channel. Strait of Dover is located between UK and rest of Europe, or you can say France. Connects North Sea and Atlantic Ocean through English Channel. English Channel is also available. Strait of Dover is also available, but Strait of Dover is not available in your atlas. But it is available in Red Atlas. Strait of Dover. Then next heading is blue blob. Blue blob. Blue blob. It is located to the south of here. This is what blue blob. It is a cold patch. It is not available in your atlas. It is not available in your atlas. Blue blob. It is located to the south of Iceland and Greenland. Blue blob. It is a cold patch. Just remember this. Recently, it came into the news. Next heading is list of landlocked countries of Europe. Landlocked countries are the countries which do not have coastline. Okay, just we have discussed before that Kazakhstan, it is also a landlocked country. This is Caspian Sea. It is a landlocked country, Kazakhstan. Okay, how it shares its border with Caspian Sea? Because of landlocked countries are the countries which do not have coastline. So I told you just before a couple of minutes or the initial of this lecture that Caspian Sea is a lake. Okay, just remember. And lake do not have coastline. That is why Kazakhstan is there. Note down. Number 1, Austria. Number 2, note down. Number 1, Austria. Number 2, Serbia. Serbia. Number 3, Hungary. Hungary. Number 4, Switzerland. Number 5, Andorra. 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 Number 6, Luxembourg. Luxembourg. Next, Macedonia. Next, Slovakia. Slovakia, next Czech Republic, Czech Republic, next Belarus, 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 next San Marino, San Marino, next Liechtenstein, LIEC, LIEC, TENSTIEN, Liechtenstein, next Vatican City, Vatican City, next Kosovo, and the last one is Moldovo, Moldovo, Moldovo. Next topic is rivers of Europe. Rivers of Europe. Not much focus on this landlocked countries. Just read one or two times. Rivers of Europe. Number one, Ebro. Originates from and drain into Mediterranean Sea. Ebro originates from Cantabrian Mountain and drain into Mediterranean Sea. Cantabrian Mountain is located in Spain. Next is Rhine River. Originates from Alps Mountain. Alps Mountain. Drain into North Sea. Drain into North Sea. Just note down. Ebro originates from Cantabrian Mountain, drain into Mediterranean Sea. Rhine originates from Alps Mountain, discharge into North Sea. Next river is Seine. Seine River. Seine River. The source for Seine River is also known as source sea. discharge into English Channel. It discharge into English Channel. It discharge into English Channel. Just I told you before couple of minutes that this English Channel also located. This English Channel is located between UK and France. So remember, one more thing is here. Paris and Le Havre both are located on Seine River. Sometimes they will ask you a question like this, that on which one of the following river Paris is located, answer will be Seine. Just remember. Highlight these three rivers, are easily available on page number 56. In Spain, there is Cantabrian Mountain. To the north of this Mediterranean Sea, state of Gibraltar is available. Cantabrian Mountain, from where Ebro originates. Highlight this also, Mediterranean Sea. Highlight Ebro, Cantabrian Mountain, Mediterranean Sea. And to the north of Spain, there is Bay of Biscay also, which is available on your atlas. To the south of this Atlantic Ocean, Bay of Biscay. Just highlight this. Just highlight this, Bay of Biscay. So you have the idea where this Bay of Biscay is located. It is located to the north of Spain. It means it is a part of Europe. Sometimes they will ask you a question. Highlight Seine River. Seine. It is available to the south of English Channel, which is located between Great Britain and this France. Highlight the Seine River. Highlight North Sea also. North Sea. To the north of North Sea, there is Norwegian Sea. Extreme north, I am telling you. Highlight Norwegian Sea also. Then highlight Rhine River. RHI, any Rhine. Rhine is easily available to the eastern side of this Seine River, or to the south of North Sea on the landmass. Highlight Rhine River. RHINE. Then next river is Danube. Danube. Danube River originates from Black Forest Mountain. Black Forest is located in Germany. Germany is a part of Europe, so you are aware. Then this is what Danube River, and drains into Black Sea. Danube River originates from Black Forest, Germany, and drains into Black Sea. Note down one or two statements about Danube River. Originates from Black Forest Mountain. The river Danube originates from Black Forest Mountain. Discharge into Black Sea. Discharge into Black Sea through Danube Delta. Danube Delta. in Romania. Basically, it forms the delta on Romania. Just remember, it is the second longest river in Europe. Second longest river in Europe. It is the second longest river in Europe. It crosses 8 countries. 8. It crosses 8 countries. Germany, Ukraine, no, Germany, Ukraine, Austria, ऑस्ट्रेलिया मत लिख लेना, ऑस्ट्रिया, मोल्डोवो, हंगरी, HUNGARY, सर्बिया, SERBIA, स्लोवाकिया, SLOVAKIA, and Romania, ROMANIA. So highlight this Black Forest mountain in Germany. Danube River, Danube Delta, and Black Sea. Next river is Po. This is Italy. Here this is Monte Visco mountain. Monte Visco mountain, from where Po river originates, and it discharges into sorry. Po river. Note down. Po river, PO. Source Monte Visco mountain. Monte Visco mountain. Monte Visco mountain drains into Adriatic Sea. Drains into Adriatic Sea. It covers Italy, Switzerland, France. It covers Italy, Switzerland, France. What happened? 2.5 आवर में कितना घंटा हो गया? It covers Italy, Switzerland, France. Italy, Switzerland, France. Venice is located on it. Venice. Venice is located on it. Source Monte Visco mountain discharge into Adriatic Sea. It covers Italy, Switzerland, France. Venice is located on it. Next river is Volga. Originates from Veldas Plateau. Russia. This is Volga and drains into Caspian Sea. It is the longest river of Europe. It is the longest river of Europe. It covers Russia only. Next river is Thames. This is Great Britain and this is Thames Head, from where Thames River is originates and discharges into North Sea. Just note down. Source Thames Head, longest river of England, discharge into North Sea. Longest river of England, discharge into North Sea. Next heading is Seas of Europe. Seas of Europe. Number one, North Sea. Note down. North Sea. Highlight Volga River also. And Thames is also available in your atlas. To the north of English Channel, Thames is available. Highlight this North Sea, highlight Black Sea, highlight Caspian Sea also. Highlight White Sea. To the north of Russia, it is available on page number 56. Note on number one, White Sea. North of Russia, it is available. Located north of Russia, parts of Arctic Ocean. White Sea, located north of Russia, White Sea, north of Russia, parts of Arctic Ocean. Next is North Sea. North Sea. North Sea. There are some rivers which drains into the North Sea. Elbe, Weser, Rhine. Drains into the North Sea. Next is Irish Sea. IRISH. Irish Sea. Basically, this is the location of Irish Sea. Between Great Britain and Ireland. Ireland. Irish Sea. Located between Great Britain and Ireland in Atlantic Ocean. Highlight this Irish Sea. Then to the eastern side of this Italy, there is Adriatic Sea. Highlight this Adriatic Sea. Basically, this is the location of Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea. Just one more statement is there. One more statement is there. Po, P-O, river drains into it, and it is located to the eastern side of Italy. Po river drains into it. Next is agency. 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 We have discussed the Straits of Europe. So just remember here, this is the location of Strait of Dardanelles is this. Agency. Note down. Located to the eastern side of Greece. Next is Ionian Sea. Ionian Sea. Ionian Sea lies between Greece and Italy. It lies between Greece and Italy. Lies between Greece and Italy. Next is Black Sea. It separates, note down, Black Sea is separates Europe and Asia. Black Sea separates Europe and Asia. There are some rivers which drains into the Black Sea. Just note down the name. Number 1, Don, D-O-N, D-O-N, Don, comma, Danube, D-A-N-U-B-E, D-A-N-U-B-E. Next, Dnieper, D-N-I-E-P-O-R, D-I-N-E-P-O-R, Dnieper. Dnieper. Next, Bug, B-U-G, etc. These are the rivers which drains into the seas. Basin countries of Black Sea. Note down. Basin countries of Black Sea. Bulgaria, Georgia, Romania, Bulgaria, Georgia, Romania, Russia, Turkey, Ukraine. Bulgaria, Georgia, Romania, Russia, Turkey, Ukraine. There are some islands of the world which are located on this Black Sea. Just note down the names. Number 1 is Snake Island. Number 1 is Snake Island near Danube Delta in Romania. Snake Island near Danube Delta in Romania. Next one is Saint Ivan Island, which is located on it in Bulgaria, which is the largest Bulgarian island. Saint Ivan is located on it in Bulgaria, which is the largest Bulgarian island. Highlight all the seas as we have discussed: Adriatic Sea, Ionian Sea, Aegean Sea, Black Sea, and this North Sea, White Sea, Irish Sea. Okay, these are not available in your atlas. Snake and this Santivan. Next is Sea of Marmara. Sea of Marmara. It is located southwest of Black Sea. It is located southwest of Black Sea. It connects Black Sea and Aegean Sea. AEGEAN. It connects Black Sea and Aegean Sea. Marmara Island is located on it. Marmara Island is located on it. Location: Asia and Europe. Location: Asia and Europe. Entirely within the borders of Turkey. Marmara Sea entirely within the borders of Turkey. It will take just 15 minutes. अभी 15 मिनट और लगेंगे. Next, there are some water bodies or mountain which separates this Asia and Europe. Just note down the names here. This is what? Asia. This is what? Europe. First thing is this. This is Ural mountain, which separates Asia and Europe. I guess there are some country water bodies also. Like, for example, number one, Strait of Dardanelles. Just note down the name. They will ask you a question: which of the following water bodies separates Asia and Europe? Answer will be Strait of Dardanelles, Black Sea, and etc. Okay. Next one is Strait of Bosphorus. Then Black Sea. Caspian Sea. As we have discussed, there are 5 countries which are located on Caspian Sea. Like, for example, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, Azerbaijan, and Russia. Just remember with the mnemonic all the countries. Tariq. Tariq stands for T for Turkmenistan, A for Azerbaijan, R for Russia, I for Iran, and K for Kazakhstan. There are 5 countries which shares their border with the Caspian Sea. Tariq. Just remember this. Number 1, Ural mountain separates Asia and this Europe. Number 2, Caucasus mountain. CAUCASUS. Caucasus mountain. So these water bodies and mountains separates Asia and Europe. Just to remember this. This is very important part for your exam, or especially for prelims specifically. Okay. They will ask you a question like this: which one of the following water bodies located between the Asia and Europe? Answer will be these. Either they will provide you Dardanelles, Bosphorus, or Black Sea, Caspian Sea. Okay. Just remember, there are some 2 mountain range, Caucasus mountain and Ural mountain. Caucasus mountain actually is located Caucasus Mountain, this is what Caspian Sea, as we have discussed. It is located to the western side of Caspian Sea, Caucasus Mountain. Caucasus Mountain, okay, on which the Europe's highest peak is located, Mount Elbrus. Easily available in your atlas, highlighted. Mount Elbrus. Okay. So we will continue from tomorrow with Europe. Hopefully you got all the points, major points. We will continue from tomorrow. I'm just giving you the topic. Mountains of Europe. We will continue with the mountains of Europe from tomorrow. Thank you.